Hi everyone, this is Omega, and I'm back here with Freddie. Maybe he'll come and join us. I know it's been a minute, but I can't believe how long it's been since I've uploaded a video, so I'm a bit rusty at this. So, oh, yeah, I think I hear him. Come on, Freddie, you want to come up? You want to say hi? I'm in my library right now, different kind of setup, so I thought I would try this. Come on. I just hope you don't dig your nails into my thighs. Come on up. There we go. Yeah, say hi. Say hi to your friends. Say hi. Yeah. Our friends are back. Yeah. So we are in August of 2023. I want to say happy birthday to all the Leos and Virgos this month. I just had a birthday, and yeah, time is flying by. So before we get started, please hit the like and subscribe. Yeah. And let's get this going. This is for, I think, Witch's Moon for August. It's been sitting for a little bit, but I curbed my enthusiasm as far as opening it up. I wanted to get this out to you guys and say hello. It's been a long time. So how are you guys doing? Oh, I remember this part. Freddie in your cold nose, so I gotta maneuver around it. How's your summer been? It just warmed up today big time. We had like a little cooling period for about that digs. You guys, if you haven't had the video, bomb, you want to see your butt in a while, here it is, the famous video bomb by Freddie. Aw. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to stay in my lap. He's got a playmate now. Her name is Luna. I'm not sure if she was in any of the other videos, but she may or may not come in. She's very shy and skittish. The opposite of Freddie. Yes, she is. Okay. We got to get down to business. I don't think I can do both at the same time. I'm going to have to put you down for a bit, okay? Good boy. It is so hot. I should have put the air conditioning on, but anyway, so let's get started. Uh-oh, did this thing break off? Okay. Nope, didn't fully cut it. Told you it was rusty. Freddie, your nose is cold. I cleaned up my library. I mean, I have these episodes where I redecorate or I, rearrange my books. I just went to a book fair. Every August they have it, so I've got even more books. But that's always fun. Got the house painted. What else? Just got my kitchen done, painted. I'm refinishing the cabinets. And then I'm going to have, hopefully by next month, the bathroom remodeled. So it's just a lot of home projects, just a lot going on. But, gosh, whoop. All right. Okay. Yeah, and I'm missing my glasses too. I've done that before. I know. Oh, there they are. Get them. Okay. Oh, so he takes my seat. Of course. And Freddie, it's not enough to just sleep on my bed. He wants to go head of the bed. Okay, Freddie. Just for a little bit, okay? You can have the seat back later. Alrighty. All Okay, so this looks like an Egyptian theme for this month. Wow, beautiful. The longer we spend within the realm of magic, the more we find ourselves noticing and catching small cues from our guides, ancestors, and nearby energies. Our intuition continues to be refined and recalibrated by each practice, each ritual, and each correspondence. Our desire is for growth, for movement, and for real transformation. To achieve these results, we must offer real dedication to the practice, learning to fall into our rituals with focus and effort, pushing aside any excuse we tend to muster when attempting to find time for personal growth and power. In this very special collection, we work with the gods and goddesses of ancient Egypt to dive deeper into our divinatory practices, learning to face ourselves in our truest form and call upon the powers that reside into our divinatory practices, learning to face ourselves in our truest form and call upon the powers that reside within. It is our truest intent that this unique and charged collection brings new sight to those who continue to seek divine wisdom on their path. Okay, well, here we go. All right, beautiful, beautiful illustration here with all the gods and goddesses. I really like this. I think I'm going to frame this because it's one thing to have something beautiful, but it's another to have something beautiful and something you can learn from and refer to. Instead of, you can put this in your book of shadows, I'm sure, but it's just nice to see it up. It's so beautiful. Wow. Okay, the Ankh, the aspects of the soul. And then we have the Knot of Isis. Very beautiful. This art is from what actually is a lot more colorful than I remember. I've been getting the boxes continuously, although I haven't had, the unboxings, but this time I just noticed that there's more color in it, and I love it. Okay, what does my oracle card say? Number 6. Beautiful. And they probably have this oracle deck for sale on their website, I would imagine. But I'll be a messy girl. Give myself something to do later and just take the stuffing out. Ooh, I'm liking this. I am liking this. Okay. Wow. Okay. Here we go. Sorry, Fred. Come on, Fred. Okay, so I showed the artwork. The next is the Egyptian Art Nouveau Tarot by Julia Massaglia. I really hope I pronounced this correctly. I don't like mispronouncing people's names. And I love Art Nouveau. Absolutely love it. And I love the way these things are wrapped. Here it is here. Egyptian Art Nouveau Tarot. So those of you who love tarot decks, this is your month. Really nice. At least I have something, I'm closer enough to the camera, at least with this setup, where you can get better detail on the items. Got the artwork. Okay, the next is Golden Capped Rudrashka bracelet. I believe it's probably in this box here. Ooh. And it says, considered a stone fruit. Rudrashka is known as a dried stone and is commonly found in a variety of ritual prayer beads and necklaces. Strongly associated with the Hindu deity Shiva, and is used for chanting mantras during meditation and honoring. We felt truly called to include this bracelet within the collection for its unique and specific contribution to the workings. Although commonly known for bringing well-being and success into one's life, it is said to carry a powerful electromagnetic energy within its center. As you wear the bracelet during your readings, allow all negativity to clear from the body and mind, subsequently releasing pain and anguish. Allow these sacred stone fruits to provide you with a safe space to explore your intuition. So I guess this is the stone fruit in the middle here, and then these are just like, these are the caps on the end, the gold caps. Very attractive bracelet. Okay. Next. Okay, the Aura Spray. And it says Empowered Isis. I don't know how the demographics necessarily of my audience, but I'm going to date myself here. But when I was a kid, I used to watch these old, I think it was Sid and Marty Krofft. I think I mentioned this before. They must have been on this most incredible acid trip for these shows. And one of their shows was, I mean, we had HR Pufnstuf, where we had Witchy Poo, the Magic Jimmy and the Magic Flute. One of them was called Isis, or when it was almost like a Diana Prince, like Wonder Woman thing, where it was just, you know, seemingly ordinary woman by day, and then when she wanted to turn into Isis, she would say, "Oh, mighty Isis." Absolutely loved that show when I was a kid. It's amazing. These old shows, I don't know, maybe I'm just coming into my age where I feel like other stuff doesn't really compare to it, even though some of these were hokey. But it was my generation. And I'm a Generation Xer, so the way I see it, we were the last of the feral children. Not the way it is now. Fortunately and unfortunately, maybe. I don't know, but oh, that smells so good. There's some citrus in here, and it's floral. Let's see what's in it. See how close I am. Use this during times of self-doubt, anxiety over the unknown, or to complete tasks that may seem impossible to achieve. Okay, oils of vetiver, citrus, lotus, rose. Oh, my light just went out. That is weird. Hasn't done that before. Apologize. Oh, my computer just shut off and now it's restarted. Pardon me. There we go. That's weird. Okay. What else? Lotus makes sense. That's, you know, grows from the mud in Egypt. And what else? Orange, ginger, lemongrass, bergamot, myrrh. Really, really nice. Smells really good. And spell candle, hand rolled and anointed candle. And it's enchanted with the oils of sweet orange, ginger, and myrrh. Freddie is at my feet now looking up at me. Beautiful gold. Very apropos for the month of August, the sun. And it's, I don't know if you could see it from your angle, but it's got sparkles in it. Okay. And Bastet Ritual Herbal Blend. This right here. Red clover, plantain, peppermint, and St. John's wort. And Ritual Herbal Blend. Even these labels I noticed are more creative and color in them. I love it. Is this coneflower? This blue? Or is it iris? I don't know. Let's take a look. Yeah, blue cornflower, chamomile, rose, calendula, and jasmine. Nice. And the herbal tea. Just really beautiful artwork. Hibiscus peppermint leaf. And the sacred salt. Deep blue lotus. Oh, this probably is amazing. Blue lotus was known in ancient Egypt to be the tool that would allow you to connect directly with the divine, and it represented the symbol of life and immortality. Nice. What's in it? Lemongrass, sweet orange, clove oils, as well as blue lotus, lavender, blessed thistle, calendula. Beautiful. And next, looks like some kind of quartz stone. I'm telling you, I just got these nails and I just, I feel like they're gonna pop off any moment. These are the press-on ones. I got lazy. It's the first time I've ever tried them, so I'm not used to them. Ooh, I think it's been tossed a bit. Ooh, it's in pieces. I don't know, is it dipped in something or is it just, there's another, get on here. Let's see what it says. What is it? And chalcopyrite with quartz stone. So it's one stone. It's not a fusion of two stones. Strength and ability to look within during times of great need, combined with the clearing and programmable energies of quartz, becomes a wonderful inhibitor of transformation of information from the other world. And it helps us to understand more aspects of the universe. Okay, getting to the end here. Let's see. Ritual incense sticks. Love the incense. What does it smell like? Nails, please don't come off. I have to go to work in a few hours, so hopefully I can get this out to you before. Interesting, very earthy smelling. It doesn't say what's in it. And I guess that's it. I'll go through it. I'll do a run through. You get the artwork, Divine Beings of Ancient Egypt, the Knot of Isis, the Ankh, your own oracle card. This was mine. This really interesting bracelet. Blue Lotus bath salts. After my bathroom is remodeled, I'm going to get a whole new tub, everything, the whole thing, the floor, everything's going to be done. And I don't think the bathroom has been redecorated since looks like the 90s or early 2000s, maybe before. So the tub, when it drains, it just doesn't seal like the whole way. So with the new tub, I'm going to be soaking. Because when I do it now, everything, it just doesn't seal properly. You got your tea. Oh, did I tell you that I spent $300 or $400 on tea recently? I get into these, I don't know, and just these weird, like, I go online and sometimes I take my sleep medication, which is not always a good thing, because then, you know, a week or so later, things arrive at my door that I don't remember that I ordered. And it's a lot of money usually. It's not a good thing always. So, got to work on that again. That habit kind of came back. Matte Ritual Herbal Blend. Bastet Ritual Herbal Blend. Kitty looks a little like Freddie. I think Freddie's cuter. It's quartz stone. Your spell candle. And with the beeswax, here we go again. Sorry with the light. Anyways, hopefully I'll fix that before the next video. This beautiful tarot deck. Absolutely beautiful. This spray, ritual spray. I think that's all of it. Oh, and the incense, was that the last thing? So I believe that's it. So excited. Hope to hear from you guys. Yeah, it's been a long time. What's been going on with you? Oh, I've got, like, in front of me, I've got like birds. I'm like right up against the window, so I can like see all these birds flying around in the nature. It's just gorgeous this time of year. And June, July, August are just like magical months for me. But anywho, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your August and stay healthy, be happy. And I believe I have another box from Sugar Muses. I won't have time to do that one today. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow or the next day, I can do an unboxing of that. So until then, I'm going to say short goodbye. Goodbye from Freddie, and we'll see you soon. Bye.